Hello to all. Today I'm going to talk about the new topic within the airport industry, which is sustainable aviation fuel (SAF) in generally, which is help to reduce the low carbon emissions in the environment. What is sustainable aviation fuel? It reduces the life cycle of the carbon emission up to 80%, and it's made up of like agriculture waste and especially grown plant oil waste, and it can be blended with the regular jet fuel and used in existing aircraft engines, renewable alternative to conventional jet fuel. If I talk about flow chain, waste oil plants, this is a source to get the SAF, and this SAF it will be used to the aeroplane by emitting the aeroplane emissions, carbon emissions, which will be reduced automatically by using this organic sources. Then production path, there is six methods they have it, like all six kind of names like CHJ and SIP HFS and AFT SPKA and ATJ SPK and CAFA SPK and AFT SPK. These are the process names like Fitched tropic hydroprocessed syntheticated paraffinic kerosenes method, and likewise there's a sixth process name we have it, and feedstock and waste. In generally this all waste product, the source is waste, and feedstock if you are talking about solid biomass resources, wood residues, municipal waste, and cooking oils and animal fat, municipal solid waste, and microbial conversion, plant oils, soya beans, all those stuffs. And if I want to talk about the blending limits, it's multiple methods, multiple measurement we have it up to 50 percentage. Some it comes like up to 30 percentage. Some it's coming in up to 30 percentage, 20 percentage. These are the six different process name and feedstock name and the blending limits. What is the major difference between the SAF and biofuel? Biofuel in generally it's taking from produced from the biological resources like plant animal materials, but SAF, unlike SAF, it's extracted from like feedstock and wastes like municipal wastes, vegetable wastes, oils. It's many methods. Okay, so that can be considered as harmful to the environment. SAF is the preferred term used by industry to describe alternative fuels. Benefits of SAF. It can cut greenhouse gas emission, work with current aircraft engines, promote sustainable aviation industry, and supports non-zero aviation goals. Future of SAF in generally, I could say like growing adaptation by airline worldwide and a key part of the achieving net zero carbon aviation, complementary to electrical and hydrogen powered aircraft. So guys, today we learn about sustainable aircraft fuel, and this topic it's bring us to get the knowledge about the future aviation industry, how the fueling system is going to happen due to the oil demand and the regional conflict. So oil demand and supply, there is a huge variance happening. In order to sort it out these issues, we need to identify the alternative methodologies to fulfill our the requirement So based on that, the invention it's happening worldwide. So out of those, it is a one of the good method. It's a SAF, that is sustainable aircraft fuel. It's a new technology. Welcoming that technology, we will execute those technologies fulfilling by 2050. This is their target to get this new technology into the full-fledged market in the worldwide. Okay, guys, thank you. We will meet you in the new topic next time. Stay tuned. Bye bye.